Getting used to drawing while looking at your monitor without having to look down at your stylus can be quite difficult. In fact, it can be quite awkward working this way. The smooth surface of the tablet doesn't make things any better. So, in this video, I'm going to discuss how to get better accustomed to drawing with your pen tablet through a series of exercises. The first exercise would be to practice writing. Most of us have been writing more than drawing all our lives. So, start by trying to write in order to develop a sense of control. This would be much easier to accomplish rather than trying to draw complex scenes or characters right off the bat. Just a quick tip before we move on. Make sure you grip your stylus lightly. If you have a tight grip over the stylus, your hand will cramp, and in the long run can also lead to injuries. The next exercise would be to draw circles and ellipses. Those of you who have received formal art training would recognize this exercise, as it is pretty much a standard in all art schools. One thing to note while doing this exercise is to make sure that you are drawing using your shoulder. The next one is drawing straight lines. Again, for this exercise, make sure you're drawing using your elbow or your shoulder as a pivot and not your wrists. Once you are comfortable drawing straight lines confidently, do some basic exercises like drawing boxes in 1-point and 2-point perspective. Now on to a more challenging exercise, which is timed figure drawing. When doing this exercise, it leaves little room for overthinking and forces you to make decisions quickly. The Croquis Cafe is a great resource for this. I'll leave a link to the Vimeo channel in the description below. And finally, drawing from photo reference on a daily basis is a great way to gain mileage, and once you have spent about 3 months going through all these exercises, drawing with your pen tablet should become second nature. Make sure you take regular breaks and to practice anywhere between 3 to 5 hours a day. If you are very serious about improving at a faster rate, spend no more than 8 hours a day. Doing any more can lead to serious injuries. Remember, quality of practice and consistency trumps quantity. So that's it for this video. If you found it informative, give the video a thumbs up. I'd also appreciate it if you considered subscribing to the channel and sharing the video with someone you know that might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.